everybody, I'm the Gulf Coast Granny and welcome back. I am so excited. I just purchased 24 sweet potato slips. I got 12 Georgia Jets and 12 Purple Passion. Purple sweet potatoes, I'm so stoked, I can't hardly stand it. So I haven't decided where I'm going to put them yet, but I'm thinking about putting them in the raised tomato bed. Just putting 2 rows down and letting them go wild. But I wanted to show you guys something. You know, we had the tropical storm last weekend. And when it was over, the family and I went down to the beach and we looked around because there's crazy things that come up on the beach during a storm. Remember I told you that there were islands a few miles out off the coast? A lot of bamboo grows out there. So we went out to the beach and I found bamboo for free, washed up on the beach for my garden. And I'm going to make trellis for pole beans this fall. See, look. There was more out there, of course, but it took me a while to find these really good pieces. There were pieces that were shorter and broken and all these, but these are really good, sturdy, wonderful pieces. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. Plus, I got this great big piece here. Now it's split right here, but it will make a really good tomato steak. At least that's what I'm thinking. So I'm really super excited about that too. And y'all, look at her. Isn't it beautiful? This came off the same sunflower that I posted in the last video. And I just think this is the prettiest. Okay, wait a minute. Let me show you another one. Tell me what you think. This one. Shut up! Is that gorgeous or what? I don't know what their names are. I've forgotten. I think it's called a red wave. The first one I showed you. Here's another one. It's an older one off the same red wave bush. And then I've got this pretty yellow one here. I love that it has a green center instead of a dark center. But I just got the biggest kick out of these, especially this one and this one. So you tell me which one down in the comments below, which one you think is the prettiest. That one or that one. This is number 1 and this is number 2. Okay. Y'all, I've never grown sweet potatoes before in my life. In my whole 20-year gardening career. I was always too afraid of them. I don't know why. I've been watching videos about how to grow them. And it seems like they're probably one of the easiest, low-maintenance things in the world to grow in the garden in the middle of the summer in hot Mississippi. How I didn't know that is beyond me. I love sweet potatoes. I love them. And why I've never researched it before is just confusing me to death. So here I am, 54 years old, and I'm about to grow my first sweet potato when they get here. I'm going to plant some more okra. I'm going to have my sweet potatoes. I'm starting my fall tomato seeds tomorrow and putting them under the lights. I'm going to pull out my sunflower bed. And my daughter, who has a half an acre of land, lives maybe 3 miles from my house. She says that, Mama, if you want to plant corn in the backyard, go on ahead. So I'm thinking about planting my Silver Queen in her backyard. I'll probably just plant it in about a 6x6 block because I think that's all the seeds I have. Y'all tell me what y'all got planned for the fall or if you're still doing your summer garden. Y'all have a great evening and I'll talk to you again real soon, all right?